Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I am going to share with you best skin smooth and skin softening free Photoshop action. So stay with me until full tutorial. I am going to show you how to use this best skin smooth and softening Photoshop action properly. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software. Then go to file menu, then click on the open or hold press Ctrl or Command O to open your photo. Which photo do you want to apply skin smooth and softening this magic Photoshop action? Hold press Ctrl key and I am selecting these two images and click on the open. And now we need to do load the Photoshop action. So go to window menu and click on the actions or hold press Alt and function 9. Here click on the this action panel right corner side, this option, and click on the load action. Selected the magic skin smooth and softening by Shazim Tricks, this action, and click on the load and have a look. The action comes here, magic skin smooth and softening by Shazim Tricks. This action I will provide fully free for everyone, so check the video description box and download the best magic skin smooth and softening this Photoshop action. Now selected this best skin smooth and softening, must be this option selected from this magic skin smooth and softening action, and just one click on the play button, and you can take 35 and 35 radius and threshold, or you can increase or decrease radius and threshold from here. Okay, click on the OK, and here just click on the continue. And finally this message from me for everyone, read this message and click on the continue. And now must be selected, make sure to select the brush tool, and here foreground color is white and opacity and flow 100%, and scratch on your face for skin smooth and softening. If you no need to mask retouch and no need to more retouch the skin, so just opacity decreases and flow just decreases, and scratch on your face for skin smooth and softening. It will not mask and not more softening, just will be some little bit softening. And if you want to more and mask retouch, so opacity just increase and flow increases, and scratch on your skin for skin smooth. This is the best skin smooth and softening Photoshop action. This is really a magic skin smooth and softening Photoshop action. That is the before image and that is the after image. Look, the before and after, that is the before and that is the after. Skin all area is fully smooth and softening. Another photo example, just select the best skin smooth and softening, this retouching option, and just one click on the play button, click on the OK, click on the OK, and here click on the continue, and finally click on the continue. And have a look, the magic of the Photoshop action. This is really a best skin smooth and softening Photoshop action. You can see here, you can see the output of the image. Opacity some decreases for better output. I suggested 70 opacity and 70% flow. If any area by mistake retouch, or you don't need to retouch the area, so just exchange this foreground and background color. Just press X or click on here, and now just click on the area which area you don't need to retouch or smooth skin. Okay, now this is perfect. I hope everyone like this magic skin smooth and softening this Photoshop action. So just download the magic skin smooth and softening this free Photoshop action. Now see the before and after image. That is the before image and that is the after image after using the magic skin smooth and softening Photoshop action. See the before and after image. Really big difference from before and after image. So I hope everyone like this Photoshop action. Just download this Photoshop action from this video description box. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Please support me and share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you next tutorial.